In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in GoHighLevel. Before you send any campaign to your audience, it's smart to send a quick test to yourself. This helps you catch typos, broken links, or formatting issues before they reach your contacts. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, keeping things simple and clear. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, head to the marketing section in the left-hand menu and select emails. This is where all your email campaigns and templates live, and it's the hub for creating, editing, and testing your messages. Next, either create a new email or open an existing one you want to check. If you're starting fresh, choose your template or start from scratch, add your subject line, sender details, and your content. If you're editing an existing email, make sure to save your latest changes so the test reflects exactly what you intend to send. When your email is ready to preview, look for the Send Test Email option within the editor. It's designed specifically for a quick, safe proof. It won't trigger automations or send to your list. Think of it as a personal preview in your real inbox, which is often more revealing than the on-screen editor. Go ahead and enter your email address in the test field. Use an inbox you actively check, ideally on both desktop and mobile, so you can see how it looks across devices. Make sure the address is typed correctly to avoid delivery issues. Now click Send. You should see a confirmation inside GoHighLevel, letting you know the test is on its way. Delivery is usually quick, but give it a moment. If it doesn't appear, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder, just in case. If it lands there, you might want to revisit your subject line, preview text or content tone to improve deliverability. Open the test email and review it carefully. Confirm the subject line and preview text read naturally and match your intent. Check that the sender name looks professional and recognizable. Scan your formatting for spacing, fonts, and colors. Make sure images load, alt text is present, and buttons look clickable. Test every link to ensure it goes to the correct page. If you used personalization, verify that placeholders resolve to real values. Finally, glance at it on mobile to confirm everything fits, especially headings and buttons. That's all it takes to send and review a test email in GoHighLevel. A few minutes of testing can save a lot of headaches later. Thanks for watching, and happy sending!